Dr. Biagliantang, and now it's Dr. Khai. And up next will be Dr. C. Khawmpi.
Amasaberin, Untale duom tak min petu kan patian chunga lom thu kasoyani. Henry Ford Chuan hetiang asoya, coming together is the beginning, keeping together is the progress, and working together is the success. Atiani, voina hetilaya kenio hi kan kal khom thea alom om kati ani. Voina Mizo Day celebration at Tiltura min somavang in Zomi Baptist Churches of America Gothan. Local som nga te ayo in Mizo Society of America tele. Mizoram Chief Minister Zaom Tak Pulal du oma te chunga. Kalom emema lom thu kan soidu bogani. Kay ni Zomi Baptist Churches of America ten Baptist Church of Mizoram BCM tenen. Sang nila sompani Lepani atangin tohona tatak partnership MOU kasay to ani. Dr. Billy Kim, the former president of Baptist Alliance kan hetiang ansoya, when a man meets a man, history happens. When a man meets God, miracles happen. At yani, US Rama President Masabel George Washington Chuan hetiang in asoya, observe good faith and justice too. With all nations, cultivate peace and harmony with all. Atia, sutiang bokin kay ni po in, tuna in rem na, apoy mo ani. Peace and justice require good connection. Good connection and communication will bring good relationship. Good relationship will bring good health. Good health will bring peace and survival. Tuna kan soy zong hi lalpan mal som rose kalome.
Thank you, Dr. Khai. And now we call upon Dr. C. Khawmpi. And up next will